Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to check credit score on Capitec. To check the credit score on Capitec, you can use the Capitec app. Firstly, download the Capitec app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After that, log into your account by using Internet Banking login details. Here, navigate to the credit section of the app. On the credit section, you will see your credit score displayed at the top of the screen. To view more details on your credit score, click on the score displayed. If you encounter any issues or if the process has changed, it's recommended to check the latest information on Capitec's official website or contact Capitec Bank's customer support for assistance. Regular credit score monitoring helps you avoid surprises when applying for credit. If you know your credit score in advance, you can better anticipate the outcomes of loan or credit card applications. Knowing your credit score is an essential component of effective financial planning. It allows you to set realistic financial goals and work towards achieving them based on your credit profile. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.